Honey Mustard IPA. It's not beer, it's a really nice blend. We're gonna make some chicken wings with it. Okay, first of all, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming. I see a lot of new faces out there. So, we're gonna deep fry these wings. We gotta start off with the dredge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some buttermilk, vessel of choice, go ahead and fill that up and then toss your wings into that. Let it marinate for about 10 minutes. If you wanna let it go overnight, that's cool too. Go ahead and toss your wings into there, and then we're gonna start building our dredge that we're gonna toss it in before we fry. All right, just go ahead and set these aside. Get yourself a big enough bowl to start your dredge. Now the main flavor, the Honey Mustard IPA, just about a half cup of this. Then we're gonna do about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then just go ahead and do some fresh cracked black pepper in there to mix that up really good. Now go ahead and take your wings from the buttermilk into the bowl. And now what you wanna do is squeeze it into the flour. This is gonna make it a nice crunchy texture. All right, now before we fry these guys off, I need to make the sauce to dump them into. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of this mustard rub. And since it's beer infused, might as well do beer, right? We're gonna do Modelo. About half a cup of that. 1/4 cup of soy sauce in. And then we've got this rooster sambal sauce. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of that as well. Now we're just gonna put that into a small sauce pot and then bring that up to a simmer. Okay, now we're gonna fry them off. Hot with canola oil at about 350 Fahrenheit, and then just drop them in. Now just go ahead and fry these guys off until they're golden brown all around. Temp them until they're 165 Fahrenheit internal, and then you're good to go. Now, once they're golden brown, pull them out, set them onto a sheet tray with a wrap. Usually you'd want to season them when they're right out of the fryer, but since we're doing a nice salty sauce, we don't need to do that. If you're not using the sauce, then season them. Now all we gotta do is take our wing and our sauce and just pour that all over. All right guys, and that's all there is to it. Make yourself these wings, they're delicious. Go get yourself a 6-pack of these rubs. Really good by Spiceology and Over Fire Cooking.